Every day in the cryptocurrency market, you can make some decent profit, whether that's through trading or holding long term until the Lambo or the moon. But whatever that is, everyone is looking for the next big thing, the next cryptocurrency that can make them a 10x, 50x, 100x. And today I'm going to present you with an opportunity that could possibly fill those needs, and that is Olive Cash. Hello and welcome guys, it's Millennial Investor, and today we're going to talk about Olive Cash. It's a new cryptocurrency that has been recently launched on the BSC network, and it is a real low market cap gem that could potentially be even 100x, who knows. But today we're going to go through the mission, the white paper of the cryptocurrency, so you can have a better understanding of what it is Olive Cash does and whether you actually want to invest in it. So starting off, Olive Cash is a cross-chain, a yield farming project running on Binance Smart Chain Avalanche chain. Basically yield farming, there's a lot of yield farming going on in crypto lately. You can just stake a coin in many cryptocurrencies and it's going to bring you some percent back as long as you keep it locked within the program. Olive Cash is no different. It allows yield farming, but you can receive your rewards in different cryptocurrencies. We will get back to that. Olive Cash is not only a meme coin, a launchpad, but it is bringing in newer projects and maybe projects that you haven't heard of, and it does allow them opportunity to grow and for people to see those projects as well. Olive Cash do Pancake Swap job for those who are not added there, and as I have mentioned, Pancake Swap usually adds a little bit bigger cryptocurrencies for the farms and the staking, whereas Olive Cash adds smaller projects such as Sensible Finance, which you should be aware of if you are watching my channel. But it is a great opportunity for you not only to stake and farm Olive Cash and get some rewards, invest into Olive Cash and get some long-term capital appreciation value as well, but you can scout for newer projects that are added on Olive Cash, stake Olive and get rewards in those newer cryptocurrencies, which could be the new big thing as well. But that's for you to decide whether you want to invest in those cryptocurrencies that Olive Cash is bringing into the platform. But it is a platform that will allow for you to see which cryptocurrencies are now coming up as well. So what makes Olive Cash different? There's a team of experienced developers that really enjoy DeFi movement and are willing to dedicate your time to take the project to the next level. We guess you are sick of rug balls, we are too. Not much that they really explain in that point. But moving on, mission is to create the most economically sustainable and accessible yield farm community on BSC and Avalanche by providing a simple user interface. The user interface is pretty much the same as PancakeSwap. It is actually pretty simple to use. All you have to do is have BNB on your BSC network, then buy Olive, and you can stake that Olive and get rewards in whatever cryptocurrency you fancy. We will get onto that when we look at the actual website itself. The vision is to foster AMM, yield farming and DeFi market by facilitating the participation of traditional investors to the crypto ecosystem. To increase the protocol economic sustainability, we aim at increasing burning fees and defining additional deflationary strategies benefiting holders. So if you are an investor for long term, you will get those benefits as well. With deflationary strategies, there will always be less coins than the initial launch, which should increase the value in the long term. I currently have a small position in Olive, so we will see how that gets on, and I will update you as we go on. So looking at the website Olive Cash, I will leave all the links that you need in the description. It is very user friendly. Everything that you are looking at you can see clearly, and everything that you want to see and find is on the left hand side table for you to look at. But currently let's focus on the Olive stats. The total Olive supply is 3.1 million. The market cap is only 850,000. That's why I'm showing you guys this coin, because it is really low market cap and it has potential to grow when we look at the price previously that it has reached and how we can move on further. Total Olive burn is at 39,000, so there hasn't been that much burn going on as of now, and the total value locked is 1.5 million across all liquidity pools and Olive Garden pools, which is pretty promising. Moving on to the farms. you can see there is plenty of farms. You can sort them by whatever you want. The most popular one is Olive BNB. You can see that it has a 40 multiplier, so basically you receive 40 times the amount per one block, and the APR is currently standing at 302%. You can see that I have earned 61 olives, but we're not going to focus on that, and that has been with just maybe $300 and a couple of days. But I will make a separate video focusing on the farms and pools and how much I have earned through my staking. You can press on that little calculator and it will show you how much olive you will actually earn within a certain time frame, and how much per $1,000 as well. And if you scroll down, there is a lot of farms going on right now. I will not go into all of them, but you have to do the research yourself. Like this one, 2,500 APR. Is that sustainable? Will that quickly change? The liquidity is only $2,000. So always do the research and find out what is it you are actually investing into. Moving on to the pools, there is quite a lot of pools as well. But as I have mentioned before, here it is where you can find the newer cryptocurrency projects that are currently launching on BSC networks. So if we scroll down below, you can see Sensible Finance right here. All you have to do is have Olive in your MetaMask, and then you can stake Olive and earn yourself Sensi. I would be doing that if I didn't have a big position in Sensi already, but it is just a great way for you to earn your favorite cryptocurrencies through Olive, if you have Olive already, or if you want to buy some. And you can look through those pools and see newer cryptocurrency projects, and maybe do a little bit more research on it and maybe invest into it, and that will bring you some profits as well. I have invested some money into Auto Olive staking pool. It has been going pretty decently. You can see that the total amount stake is 700,000 oil. Which is quite decent, because if we remember, the total supply is only about 3 million, so about 20 something percent of it is actually staked within the pool. The APY for the year, you can see right here. If you stake $1,000, you will be left with 11,000 olive at the end of the year, but that is dynamic and that is subject to change. So don't always look at the 1 year opportunity that you can have, but look at maybe the 30 days and just keep looking at it every single day. See if you are getting what you are expected, and do some more research if you actually want to stake Olive and earn those profits. Mine has been going pretty well. As I mentioned, I will update that in another video, but from the farm and the pool itself, I have earned about 80 or 90 olives with around $800, so it's not bad. It has only been a couple of days, and there has been no issues so far with the site. It has been a smooth process. I bought some BNB, changed it into Olive, and then staked it, and everything has been going well. I can just harvest it and it will go straight to my MetaMask for a small gas fee. Moving on to the price of Olive Cash, you can see they have been added to CoinMarketCap on June 28th, I believe. And there has been a little bit of a jump once they have been added, but it has been increasing pretty steadily ever since it has been added, from about 23 cents to bouncing between 28 and 30 cents. So it is not bad. It was previously higher, but every single cryptocurrency has been higher in April on the BSC network. Just there has been a big influx of cash into the network itself and into every single cryptocurrency. So in April, it was pretty much the peak for those cryptocurrencies, and now we are seeing a little bit more of a bear market, but the price is still pretty decent. 800,000 market cap is so low. It is really low, and it can grow. Even if it grows to 10 million, that is still pretty much a 10x for any investment that you make. But always remember to do your own research if you actually want to invest into a project like this. And it is not financial advice. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope I presented to you with a new opportunity and you can dig a little bit more into it yourself, whether you want to invest or not. I have a small position of about $800 in this cryptocurrency, and we will see how it goes this year. I don't plan to take it out before the end of the year probably, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down in the description what else you want to see, and if you enjoyed this video, and if you do have Olive yourself, and I will see you in the next one.